what consumer goods our country exports at the 4th China CEEC Expo and International Consumer Goods Fair. There is a special expo exhibition. Let's go and check it out.
This exhibition spans 60,000 square meters, featuring 1,028 enterprises across the country.
And here in Ningbo, we participate with delegation of 5 member states: Moldova, Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia, and Hungary. This is a gift for my friends in Bulgaria because I tasted and very surprised, very quality product. And I propose to my friends to make import in Bulgaria of this.